Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today. Good morning traders, how are you? It is Thursday and it is the 31st of March, the last day of the month. Guys, please leave a comment. Love to know how your trading's going, or if you've got any problems at all, then you can leave a question. Yeah, so leave some comments below the vid. Right, as always, we're going to start with yesterday's recap. We had two potential trades from yesterday, from Wednesday. The first one was this. This is the pound against the US dollar. The reasons we took this is because, you can clearly see this is in a downtrend, okay? And we had this very bearish candle a couple of days ago, followed by this wick, yeah, that rejected our grey zone. Okay, so the idea was just to take price back down to these lows here. Okay, so that was the trade idea. Let's actually see what happened on the H1. Okay guys, so yeah, I had a couple of grey zones plotted. So price did retrace into this grey zone, but all of these red candles here, none of them tell me that sellers are in control. Okay, so you won't enter on any of these. And also it's a little bit early, to be honest with you. It's before the European and London Open. And then as you can see, price comes up to this, our next grey zone. We have this candle. Sellers are not in control because of this large wick. We've got this doji. Sellers are not in control. We have another doji. Sellers are not in control, and then boom, we have this large red bearish candle that forms back into our grey zone. Okay, so although price left this grey zone, this H1 candle is very negative and closes back into the grey zone. Okay, it also gets supported by this. If we look at the H4 candle, guys, yeah, this red candle here. Yeah, so that supports what we were trying to do. So it never really broke out of this grey zone. Okay, so let's go back to the H1. Yeah, so I entered on this candle here. Okay, I entered at the close, put my stop above here. Okay, and I'm just looking to take price back down to these last lows around here. Okay, guys, so I'm still in this trade. And yeah, I'm looking to close 80% of the trade here and then let 20% run down to that last low. If we go back to the day chart very quickly, you can see we had another wick reject the grey zone. So yeah, I'm still confident that price could come down to this blue line, but we will see today. Okay, but that was the first trade idea, pound US dollar, and I'm still in that trade short. The next one, this is the pound against the Swiss franc. If you remember, we were seeing pound weakness, guys. The reason we took this is this. So price came down, it created a new high, created a new low, and then that high wasn't broken, okay? And then eventually these lows were broke, yeah? These lows here were broke, okay? Because of this candle here, this bullish red candle. So the structure was back into a downtrend, and we were just looking to take price down to this blue line, or even this last low here, guys. Okay, it would have been a good target. Okay, but mine was quite conservative, my blue line. Okay, so as you can see, that's exactly what happened. Let's look at H1 for execution, or to see what actually happened. So as you can see, guys, yeah, price did it done a lot of sort of messing around here, but then it did eventually come up and hit our grey zone. Then we had this candle form. Yeah, you could have entered on this candle if we were being particularly aggressive. Yeah, sellers have taken control of the market, or even this. This is confirmation that sellers are fully in control, the next candle, okay? And as you can see, it does come down to our blue target, but like I say, it could have also come down to the daily low as well. All right, guys, so yeah, again, a good trade. Okay, so yeah, pound US dollar short, I'm in profit on that trade. We will see what happens today. And pound Swiss franc short, that was an excellent trade, guys, yeah, and good profit to be had. Okay, guys, so they're the two trade ideas from yesterday. Let's look at today's potential trades. Guys, if you enjoyed yesterday's recap, then please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the channel. So thank you very much. And also subscribe, come join us. Right, so the trades for today, for Thursday the 31st of March, we've got two potential trades. The first one is this. This is the euro against the pound, okay? And the reasons we're taking this are these. So as you can see, guys, yeah, we had this area of resistance. Yes, the price come up, tested this area, it's come up again, tested this area, and then eventually this area of resistance has broke. Okay, so the structure has changed. This is now in an uptrend for me because we have higher highs. Okay, and we also had this bullish green candle. Okay, so this tells me we can take price back up to this blue line, back up to these highs here, okay, at 8549. Okay, so we're looking to long this market up to this blue line, all right. So yeah, let's look at H1 for execution. So guys, we've got a couple of grey zones, so price could retrace, yeah, just in here. Okay, then we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern. First of all, we'll take price back up to these highs, but only if we have a risk to reward of 1:1. Okay, if we don't, just leave 100% on the trade to take up to our higher time frame target. Okay, or what could happen, guys, price could retrace back to this grey zone, and again we're looking for a bullish candlestick pattern. We'll take price back up to these highs, we'll close 80% of the trade, and then we'll leave 20% to run up to the blue line. All right, guys, so yeah, euro against the pound, we're looking to long this market. Okay, next one. We've got the US dollar against the Swiss franc, and we are looking to short this market. Okay, so as you can see, price has come up clearly in an uptrend. Okay, it's created some lows here. Okay, come back up, but it hasn't come back up to these highs. Okay, it's created a new low. Okay, and then price broke these lows. Okay, so structure has changed. Okay, so we had these lows here. Okay, and as you can see, yesterday's very bearish red candle has broken these lows here. Okay, so for me, structure has changed. We are in a downtrend. So all we're looking to do is take price back down to this blue line, this psychological level at 9,200. All right, so we're looking to short this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. Again, guys, we've got a couple of grey zones, so price could retrace into this grey zone. Well, it already has, but now we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern. This is our trigger to enter the trade, and then we will take price back down to this low here. Okay, close 80% of the trade and let 20% run down to our higher time frame target, or price could retrace all the way up to here. All right, but again, looking for a bearish candlestick pattern, and then we just want to take price back down to these lows first of all, close 80% of the trade, leave 20% to run down to our higher time frame target. All right, so yeah, US dollar Swiss franc short. They're our two trade ideas for today. But also today, guys, I've got a question for you. All right, because I was looking at this market here, the euro US dollar. I was looking at this for a potential trade. Okay, and let me tell you why. So as you can see, guys, price was in a downtrend, came back up, come down again. This high hadn't been broken, yeah, still intact, came down again. So it's still in a downtrend, but eventually these last highs get taken out. And yesterday we had this bullish candle take these highs out. Yeah, it broke these highs. Okay, so my question to you is, guys, why am I not long in this market? All right, why do I not want to make this one of our potential trades and long this market? Okay, guys, so why don't you leave your answers below the vid? I'll be interested to see what you have to say. Okay, guys, so yeah, they're the trade ideas today and a little question for you. Let's now take a look at the news. Guys, if you've been enjoying this daily morning analysis and want to receive it every single day, Monday to Friday, then please smash that subscription button and then smash the notification button. Yeah, that way you'll get it every single day. It will send you an alert. Okay, guys, so the news for today. So overnight, we had some disappointing figures come out of China. This 3-star rating here was a little bit worse than expected, but that's been and gone. What we're interested in today is, first of all, this. At 6 o'clock GMT, we've got the GDP coming out of the UK. Okay, so the gross domestic product. A 3-star rating, so this could move the pound, any pound pair. All right, so that's the first piece of important news. If we scroll down, the second piece is this. At 7:55 GMT, coming out of the euro, we've got German unemployment change. So this could move any euro pair. We scroll down, guys, we have nothing again until 12:30 GMT. Coming out of the US, we've got initial jobless claims. So this could move any US dollar pair. At the same time, coming out of Canada, we've got their GDP as well. So another 3-star rating that could move the Canadian dollar. If we carry on down, we've got one more or two more pieces of news. If you're still awake, at 11:50 GMT, we've got these two 3-star ratings coming out of Japan. Tank and large non-manufacturers index. Okay, so this could move the yen. All right, guys, so yeah, that's all the news for today. If you've enjoyed the vid, then please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a fantastic, stupendous trading day, and I will see you tomorrow, guys.